Black Friday week is the toughest time for me to win the no buy challenge. The challenge of trying not to spend any money for as long as possible. It's not that I want to spend money. It's that during the week of the supposedly huge sales, there are services and products I actually need for work and personal life, and I want to take advantage of the relatively low prices. But it's quite easy to get carried away and end up buying something I don't really need. Sure, you can probably resist buying another TV when you already have one, but what happens when annual subscriptions I was planning to cancel come up for renewal exactly during these days, and I end up paying for another full year of something I know I won't even use? The solution to this problem is called budgeting. It wasn't invented for this exact purpose, but it's yet another advantage of knowing exactly how much I spent and on what. And since I've been budgeting for 10 straight years without missing a single day, I know down to the cent what Office 365, Adobe, WPX, and the shoes I destroy walking 8 to 15 miles a day actually cost me. And those are exactly the things I spent money on this Black Friday.